Okay folks, we're all getting ready to shop for our dorms, and I know everybody gets really excited, but I wanted to share some tips on how you can save some money, because you're gonna be spending lots of money going forward. So if you can save a few bucks, why not? First thing, it doesn't matter if you're a freshman or a senior, shop your own home. Shop your home, either your bedroom or check your parents' house, because we all have extra things that we no longer need, and you can take some of that to your apartment, to your dorm, especially things like dishes and extra pots and pans, whatever the case may be. Check with them. Another thing is check with your friends and family. There are some things that they may have that are only gently used that you can use in your new space, right? Your college space is not a permanent space, even though I know for a fact that people keep things from their college apartment for life. Amazon has their Prime Day in July, so prepare for that. Start shopping the website, put everything in the cart, save it for later, and what's nice is when there's a sale, if it's in your cart, it shows you if there's a deal. That's when you can purchase it. So if you save it in your cart and it's Prime Day, you can immediately move all that stuff over to your cart, purchase at that time. Target offers students a one-time 20% discount. So same thing, shop their site, put everything in the cart. When you're ready to make that purchase, apply the 20% discount to your entire purchase. It's a one-time deal, so you cannot shop ongoing. Just put everything in the cart, buy it all at once. There's garage sales, there's thrift stores, there's online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace. There are things that people post on there that are very gently used, and it might work well for you. And if you can buy it at a discount, why not? There's also places like OfferUp and Mercari. I don't know if people still use Craigslist. I hear about it every once in a while, but those are great places to shop as well. You don't need everything right away. Black Friday is an amazing time to shop. There's sales. Right now we're in May. We have Memorial Day coming up at the end of May. We have 4th of July coming up. We have Labor Day coming up. And then there's going to be back to school sales, I promise.